Just a quick consumer advisory so you don't regret your home purchase. There was so much new home building in the years of 2001 to 2008 that builders had to import drywall from China. This drywall is known as Chinese drywall, and it can make you very sick as it gives off the following gases: hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon disulfide. Now, these are some of the health problems you might get if you're living in a home that has Chinese drywall: irritated, itchy eyes and skin, sinus problems, difficulty breathing, respiratory infection, and nosebleeds, persistent coughing, asthma attacks, extreme fatigue, recurrent headache, sore throat, cough, dizziness, insomnia, severe allergies, gastro problems, hair loss, joint and muscle pain. And if you live in a higher climate like Florida, where the humidity is higher too, it could get even worse. Here are some problems that may be caused by drywall inside your home: persistent rotten egg smell within the house but not outdoors, corrosion of electrical and plumbing components, blackening of copper pipes and wiring, blackening of appliances containing copper, silverware tarnishing, black soot on the plugs of washers and dryers, black soot on the wires behind the light switch plates, blackening of metal on the bathroom fixtures and of coils in your air conditioning systems, overheating of parts of electrical systems, electronics malfunctioning, power outages, broken air conditioning, failure of air conditioning coils with the black residue corrosion of the mirror edges, intermittent and total failure in operation of dishwashers, refrigerators, broken microwave ovens, unusual sounds from electrical system devices, dim or flickering lights. So anytime you buy a home built from 2001 to the present, always run a test on Chinese drywall, because this is what you can end up with. It can be very expensive to remedy the problem. Now, this is the reason I tell all my buyers, always get a home inspection. But if for some reason you can't get a home inspection, I recommend that you buy the test kits. I'm going to put links below. One is electronic and the other one is a chemical test kit, and you can do it yourself. And this will check for gas emissions from Chinese drywall. See the Amazon.com links in the comments below if you want to purchase your testing equipment, whether you're buying a home or you already live in a home built after 2001. One is a meter and the other is a chemical test. We do receive a very small affiliate commission if you purchase the item using the links below, but more importantly is keeping you safe with your health and your real estate investments too. So many people go to the doctor and say, I just don't feel right. And the doctor says, you're fine. We checked your blood work and everything. Go home. But did they check for gases in your blood? No. So you got to do it yourself. You have to be your own detective, keep your family safe. So that's all for now. Hopefully we'll get to talk soon. Bye.